Kajabi have been improving their community's product at a rate of knots this year, and I am loving the changes. One of the recent ones that I'm not seeing many people using yet is the custom pages feature. So, as well as having your actual community sections for chatting and for posting, you can actually link directly to other parts of Kajabi. What you are seeing on the screen here is a Kajabi course product, but it is being displayed and is completely live within the community itself. So if your members have got access to a course product as part of the community, this is especially helpful if you're running any kind of membership where there is a course product or curriculum associated with it. Maybe it's a resource guide or something else. You can link that directly from within your community. So you can make your community the hub and not have to send links out to different places. For example, the Kajabi Fireside Chats that I've been running has got the community for people to be able to connect and make comments and let people know about the live events that are coming up, schedule the live events within the community so people can RSVP. But I have the replays stored in this replay hub so that people can then go and access all the past replays really easily. And I can add additional resources and summaries and everything else just as if this was a course. I've also got a page set up for the live streams, which is a landing page within Kajabi. And you can link to any landing pages, blog page. You can even add a form in here. And I'm going to show you how to do it because I think it is something that lots more people should do so that you can make the most of communities. It is really easy. Just go into your access group and click onto the three dots. Go create new and then come down to custom page. We're going to come back to the page name afterwards, but the first thing you want to do is choose what page are you going to link to. Previously, all we had was a custom URL, but now you can search for a product. So you can link back to a product that will be a course, podcast, coaching, etc. You can link to an offer. So that means you can use this section to actually cross-sell and upsell people into different programs. Very nice. That's going to open up right inside the community. You can link to a website page, landing page, even a blog or a form within Kajabi, which is so helpful. I just absolutely love it. So we are going to link to a landing page here. We're just going to choose a landing page. We're going to pick this random page here. You can choose whether you would like for this to open in a new tab, which may be appropriate if you're sending someone to social media or somewhere outside of your community and you don't want them to move away from the community. But if you don't want them to have multiple tabs open and for everything just to stay within the community, maybe it's a special page that's locked down that you don't want other people to access. So maybe it's resources for your members. Maybe it is some kind of live replays or a page that's just for members, that onboarding information for your membership, for example. That is perfect to keep as a community-only page. You don't want that to open as a link in a new tab because when it is opened in the community, the people viewing it don't see the URL. So it makes it a bit like a locked page, which I absolutely adore. Only the people who have access to that access group are going to be able to see that page. Now, this is where you choose the access. So I set this one to go to the Kajabi Fireside Chats community, as that is where I created the new page from. But you could also make this, if you wanted to, an all members, so it doesn't matter which access group people are in, or change them to a different access group. We're going to leave this one here because that's what I would like it to be. And then we can also choose the icon. So this is where you can make it look a little bit nicer. You can use any emoji. You can use one of these preset icons. You can even upload a custom image if you choose. But we're going to go just for an icon here, and we are going to use this one. You can also change the color. Again, I love this. It allows you to either make interesting colors or use your brand color. D5F is our brand color. And you can save that and then you can use any icon and it's going to show up as this icon and this color in your menu, which is just fantastic. I do love it. And then we're going to be able to save that. And that is going to add that as a link within this page here. So you can link out like in your main menu to anywhere else that you want. You can link out to things you are promoting, to your store page, to other free resources, or within the actual access group. You can keep that more locked down. There is a lot of flexibility. I absolutely adore it. And I love that Kajabi have made it easier for us to link to other places. It really allows you to make your community that central hub. And if people are inside your community, they just need to click to the different aspects of it. So you can reorganize these as well, like reorder them, and choose for things to go exactly where you want. So let's kind of think of it like a menu for your access group, for the people who are part of your community, so that you can direct them to everything that they need. A little feature, but it is really helpful and I love it. If you have got questions about Kajabi Community or anything else Kajabi related, please do comment, as I would love to help you. Sue from the Unicorn Advisory, I'll see you in my next Kajabi tutorial.